Let's start by making a main section, and inside the section we'll have a header and a paragraph, both with some placeholder text. And here's our content. Now above this content, we're going to insert a nav, which is going to have links to parts of our site. So in our code, above our section, we'll set up our nav, and inside the nav, we'll set up some placeholder links. So we're going to have home, my profile, favorites, links, tasks, promotions, and settings. Let's save and refresh. So here's our nav at the top of the page, and the links are beginning to wrap onto 2 lines because there isn't enough horizontal space. So we're going to make our menu so that any overflow is horizontally scrollable. To do this, let's head over to our CSS file, and we want to target the nav. And in our nav, we're going to use display flex, which is automatically going to apply flex direction row. We're going to give it overflow x auto so that the overflow can be scrolled, and we'll give it some margin. Let's save and refresh. So now we have a row of our options, and they're fitting the space exactly as they should be. And currently there's actually no need for overflow x auto because there's no overflow x. So what we need to do is space these options out because they're too close to each other, and we need to ensure that each option sits on its own line because in the case of my profile, the text is wrapping onto a second line. So let's target all the links in our nav. Let's give them margin right 20 pixels and margin bottom 10 pixels. And we'll apply white space, no wrap. Let's save now and refresh. Now our menu is overflowing. So it's going across the end of the page here, and we can scroll it from side to side. Let's give our body some padding so that our content isn't all the way to the edge of the page. Our nav is now working as we expect it to, and we can place as many items as we want in this menu, and it will overflow off the page. But the scroll behavior feels a bit strange at the moment. It's not smooth, and there's no movement after releasing. So to get around this, on our nav, we can use WebKit, overflow, scrolling, touch. And now our menu feels much smoother and nicer to use.